The Sanford 7-inch rechargeable table fan. The perfect blend of power, portability, and performance. Built with a high-speed 4,500 RPM motor and housed in a durable ABS body, this fan is designed to keep you cool anytime, anywhere. Enjoy 3 adjustable speeds, a smooth tilt-head function, and dual-color LED lighting with warm to cool color options. 2700K to 6000K. Powered by a 3600 mAh lithium battery, it runs up to 15 hours on low speed and 20 hours of LED lighting. Charge it fast with Type-C. Stay informed with smart charging indicators, and stay safe with overcharge protection. Sanford SF6652RTF. Stay cool, stay bright, even when the power goes out. Sanford.